Children, today we are going to make Ganesha. Ganesha with wheat atta, polpat latna, water, one pot, turmeric, orange color, blue color, red color. Like this I have taken. One coconut we need, one vati we need, like this, which is holding that coconut neatly. Like this you need material. So for this much big chammach, you have to take 3 chammach atta for this Ganesha. So first you will take 1.5 chammach in this pot and make color with turmeric 3 spoons, teaspoon, and mix with water and little namak. So we will make atta with this wheat. So children, that 1.5 teaspoon I took that wheat, and with that water make atta like this. Yellow color atta it will be. Like puri you have to make this atta. घट्ट बनवायची, घट्ट. Half spoon atta, and then take this orange color, and in that I have melted that salt, and I will put this color in this, and with water I will make atta. So orange color atta with half that spoon blue color, and then this is beetroot color. So beetroot water was there in my house, so I use that color. If you have any other color you can use. So we will start to make the Ganesha. For that you will take this vati and one coconut, clean that, then take half of that yellow color, means make 2 equal parts, and like a orange color carrot shape, like this, 2 equal size. Make 3 parts of this blue color, 1, 2, 3, 1 I will keep here. Make puri like this. Yellow color puri will be round, and this blue color puri will be oval shape. It will be. I will show. If you need little dry atta, you can spread. Like this round puri you will put on that coconut, like this. In this oval shape you saw. First see here, and with this we will make dhoti. This we will put like this, and then make folds like this. Some folds will be there for dhoti. See, it will look nice like this. Extend it lightly. See, I am giving folds, and with Fevicol we will, otherwise like this also it will stick, but you can use little Fevicol and make the legs like this. You have to take 2/3 part of that clay, orange clay, for the face and trunk of that Ganesha. Like this you will extend it, and for face you will press it here nicely like this, and I will show. Like this you will stick that face. Press it little. If it will not stick, you can use little Fevicol inside and stick it. उरलेल्या ऑरेंज क्लेचे 2 पार्ट करा. त्या एक ठेवून द्या दागिने बनवायला आणि एक पार्टचं तुम्ही 2 पेढे करायचे छोटे आणि त्याचे आपण कान बनवूया. असे 2 पेढे बनले की त्याला तुम्ही असं धरायचं 4 बोटावर आणि अंगठ्याने प्रेस करायचं. मग तो खड्डा होईल असा तयार. आणि मग या बाजूने दोन्ही बाजूने इथे फेविकॉल लावायचं आणि मग कान असे चिकटवून घ्यायचे. मेक होल्स हिअर टू द इयर अँड द साइड ऑफ दॅट Ganesha's face and it will stick nicely. Both ears at one time you will press like this. See, I put little Fevicol here also. Make 2 parts of that clay, yellow clay, and from this you will make 2 equal parts again and make hands for Ganesha. Like your finger. See. Make 2 equal size hands, then press one side, not this side, only this side. These are the hands. One hand is holding that laddu or modak and one hand is giving blessing, and in between here you will press with this stick and fold it like this and take it here behind the ear and press from back side and stick it like this. This hand will be standing and this hand will be holding that modak. Take 1/3 part of that blue color from this and make like a balloon, this balloon. Both sides little small and in between it will be mota. For what it is, here I will show. Here dhoti is there in between, so you have to press it like this. Toothpick stick, you will press it here like this. Then that kasota is there, no, front side, that is like this. You press. Now make small balls with this orange color and then make bangdi in his hand like this. वाती कशा करतात, वाती कापसाच्या, तसं असं बारीक करायचं. हे बघा, आणि ते हाताला लावून घ्यायचं. Make same 2 balls and make that thread like this for his pendant. पायातलं असतं ना ते. Here you will press it. Or sometimes it will open. Like this. Near that dhoti. In between there are legs. So our front side is completed. Now see remaining part behind. We have to use this yellow color clay for finishing this, and after that we will put that violet color kapda. So like that first puri we will make again one puri and stick it behind. We will stick one puri here, press it neatly, put little Fevicol inside, then it will stick nicely, and downside I will use this blue color and make dhoti here. For back side dhoti, we will make this roti like this. Use Fevicol on that and stick it. See, otherwise it will open like this. That's why we have to put Fevicol. See, like this you will stick that part, dhoti's part here neatly, and after that, like front side, we will make with this stick that dhoti. Place this stick here and give the shape of dhoti. Place here that back line. पाठीचा कणा असतो ना आपला, तो त्याच्या खाली बरोबर हे येणार आहे. इथे मानेचं करायचं. तुम्ही इथे डोक्याला का ब्लॅक कलर देऊ शकता. हां, तुमच्या घरातला ब्लॅक कलर ना, पोस्टर कलर, त्याने. आणि ब्लॅक कलर आपल्या खाण्यात नसतो. नाउ आय विल मेक फ्रॉम दिस that vastra on his shoulder. So put this vastra like this, back side, and on his hand, stick it like this, press it little. Then put some Fevicol downside and stick this Ganesha to the board this. And you have to color here black color for hair, and you can draw eyes. Then I make that two parts of that stick, and one is broken, so pointed is this side and broken is this side teeth, and your Ganesha is ready. You can decorate this base also with golden glitter, your poster color, and you can color here red with red color like the Gudu Halwai Ganpati, flowers, small. Otherwise you can put beads also, stick beads, different moti. For necklace also you can put moti and decorate your Ganesha. So Ganpati Bappa Moria. You can use for base plywood piece. On that you stick the paper, color paper, or any lace you can put. So decorate this downside part, and you can draw eyes, draw flowers, do with glitter here on that takiya and that dhoti. Even here golden bangle. For ear also I do. So your Ganesha will be very nice.